Happy Money Making Monday! Hey, how you doing? Market gods and goddesses, it is Elon Bomani, the Inner Circle Goddess. And today I wanted to show you, I am working on this prop firm, which I am at my limit on. February 6th is my D-Day to get 9,000 here. As you can see, over the course of the couple of weeks, I went down to 4,700, then went down to 4,800, then went down to 4,700. So 2 times I had to get back up, etc. Has some great, I wish I could show, I'll be honest with you, I still don't know how to use this platform very well. Wish you guys could show the course of the day. But to make a long story short, I'm on the final stretch and I accomplished my goal of the day. And today I was able to do $3,300.60 in this trade today. And the thing about it is, ladies and gentlemen, I just went in with 3 contracts. They were micro and not mini contracts. And I just literally, this thing played out really good. It is based on the fact that it closed above this. It was supposed to go up. The goal was for it to go to here. There was a major right now, because Trump is putting these tariffs out to Canada and Mexico and China. It was a major gap. Let me see if I can show you the gap. It was a major gap. I'm trying to show it to you. But, okay, let me try it on the 15. Okay, as you can see, look at that major gap. It was right here. And literally, it came all the way down to here. I videotaped a trade that I did not take up to here because I'll be honest with you, this kind of was real scary. I mean, this was like, oh my God. I mean, this gap was, so I didn't know what it was going to do. And it could have went either way, to make a long story short. And, but I know it would get clearer vision during the course of the day and just stuck with the game plan of action. And make a long story short, it kind of faked us out in the beginning, came up, as you can see here. Then it came down, and what was the main thing was that this is on the 1 minute, this is the first fair value gap. And basically, I knew with this major push-up candle, because I anticipated coming up to here. So it started to fake people out and make people think it was coming up to there. And that's how they do people. So they took out a lot of stop loss and fake people out, and then they took out this sell side liquidity right here on this dash red line. And then this major candle came out at around about 10:21. I was going to wait to trade in the afternoon, but something told me to come look at the computer because, you know, it could change. Luckily I did. God is good. God brought me to this computer, and I saw in a nutshell that it had closed above this fair value gap, and it had created instantly, I didn't draw it because I went into the trade, but it created a fair value gap. When I saw that fair value gap above this first fair value gap, I knew it was going to continue to go up. I got in here, and this is why it's so important you follow your rules and regulations. Even though I was prepped and prepared for it to, and I charted that it was going to go up to here, okay? I just went in and I got in, and I think I got out right up to here. That's all I needed. Was 41 points with 3 contracts. 4 times 3, what's that, 120 points. And in a nutshell, that's how I was able to get $3,300 out of that. Very short, sweet, but I focused on what my goal was. My goal was a $3,000 day. Stay focused on that. And it complied with their rules and regulations. They like you to stay within $3,000 a day to show consistently that you're making money. Okay, so accomplished my goal for the day, and more importantly, I stuck to the game plan of action and not getting greedy, because you just never know, especially with these tariffs things that are nature that are going on right now. You just never know. The good thing about it is, though, the better thing about it is, it did go to where I had anticipated going, and so I would have done great getting out here, and this would have been easily a $10,000 day. Easy. And I'm probably being very, very conservative. Might have been 15,000, because this is 165 going in with 3. That's 3,000. I mean, that's 300 plus points. 320, 360. It's 400. No, because if you do 260 let's because if we just do 260, 160 times 3, right? That's 480. 18. Ooh. Let me see here. 160 times. Yeah, 160 times 3. Yeah, that's 480. Yeah, I'm right. 480. So, yeah, that would maybe $15,000. Yeah, and that's how easy it is to do. You're doing with micro contracts instead of minis. Okay, so anyway, but I just wanted to accomplish my goal. I just have now, which I'm so proud about, I just have now $6 more. So my goal is tomorrow to do 3, and the day after that to do 3, and I'm done on the 5th, and that is a day before the 6th, where I'm done. And pray for me that I do get this done, because if I do, I'm in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in a 5 copy trade system. So the goal is for me to do 9,000 on 3 of these, and I will get funded and have the value of $750,000. That's why I love these prop firms. Where could I have been able to get access to $750,000 of trading funds in order for me to succeed? Okay, so these are the pros, but keep the main thing, ladies and gentlemen. Do not get greedy. Bless the market. Thank the market. Oh, I made $3,300, and be grateful and be glad. Like I said, nowhere near, but I got to where my goal was. Got out, caught. So as soon as I saw that 3,300, I was out, and grateful, and I thank God for the blessings in the market. So as you can see, that's our goal, and that's our dream, to manifest miracles in the market, and we did it, ladies and gentlemen. So I will see you in the next video. I hope you guys are, by the time you're watching this, that you are getting motivated, that you're studying, that you're practicing, and that you're doing all the things you need to do to get to the next level so that you can make a living trading and make a fortune investing. Okay, I see the top, over top, more pulley, ching, ching. I will see you at the bank. Bye-bye for now. Love you all. Peace. Hetapu. Namaste. Have a fantastic,